Hey you guys, and what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Annabelle, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, all of social media, and today we're going to be setting up my faith planner for 2023. I am so excited. I've already put my name on it and my word of the year, which is breakthrough, but I wanted to customize it a little bit just because I feel honestly a little embarrassed to say this, but this doesn't match the rest of my planner lineup. So with that being said, I want to customize it for myself. I want to make it kind of a little bit more aesthetic to align with like my goals and the things that I want to accomplish for 2023. So I do love this cover. This is beautiful, and this is probably something that I'll switch into every now and then. But for now, I wanted to just customize it and make it fun for myself and exciting. I feel like when it comes to planners and, you know, when especially a planner, like not trying to be like, I'm just going to say it, especially something like a faith planner, that it's not something that I necessarily would want to do every single day, but need to. I feel like I want my planner to look fun and exciting, so I actually want to play with it and, you know, read my Bible and practice the things that I have set up for myself to do. But anyways, I have taken out these covers. These are some clear frosted covers from Live Love Posh. I love these. I've had them for quite some time, and the quality of these is so great. Like, they are so thick and durable. I've had these for over a year at this point, and I love them so much. I've continuously used them throughout the year. But I did go ahead and make a custom cover, which is this right here, and I just laminated it, but as you can tell, it's a little flimsy. I laminated its cardstock in here and just regular old laminate, and I made a back cover for it too. So this is what it would look like, and I did take out some discs. I want to use these pink glitter discs with it. I feel like it'll look really cute. And I also brought out this faith guided journal from the Happy Planner that I think could work really, really well with this faith planner. But let's go ahead and start with, first off, putting the discs on this clear frosted cover. This cover is like so thick that sometimes it's a little hard to put the discs on. I will say though, I have rheumatoid arthritis, so I have constant joint pain. So it could be just me, honestly. And also probably would help if I did one cover at a time and not both. But here I am, just making my life more complicated. Anyways, I'm really excited for faith planning. I'm not gonna lie, I don't think I'm gonna start faith planning right away, right at the start of 2023. I think this planner actually starts before the new year. We can double check that here in a second. But I have a lot going on the first week, so I think I'm gonna take the first and second week and then start like the first week. I don't know how to explain it. Not the week of the first, but the week after that. And I'll show you all in the planner. Okay, let me go ahead and put these on. I wish I would have made these double-sided, but I didn't even think of that. But that is totally fine. I'm not even gonna like worry about that. Let me see what it looks like. Oh yes, cute. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, and then this is the back. Yeah, I really did not think about making it double-sided, so it'll look cute to make this the back of this and then the other side. But that is totally fine. Okay, yeah, I totally love that. Perfect. I think she also came out with a cover that is like clear now instead of like frosted. I'm not too sure. I'd have to double check that. But anyways, let's go ahead and take out some of these guts and put them in this cover. I will say I'm thinking about making my own custom like, I guess, welcome page. So instead of it being like this floral thing going on, I kind of want it to look a little different. But for now, this is fine. I'll probably make that maybe at one point, and I'll add this to the video. But for now, I think it's okay. But let's also really quick just let's take a look at so see, this is when I want to start on the 9th. So not this week. See how this planner starts on the 26th. I don't want to start this week either. I want to start this week. So I'm actually going to remove this page and glue this. So when I open it after the monthly, it'll open directly to the 9th. But that is my plan. And currently it's still too early to get started, at least for me. I just know that the weekend of Christmas and the weekend of New Year's is going to be super, super busy. I'm actually hosting again. I'm hosting for Christmas and for New Year's at my house. So it's going to be ultra busy just having everyone over. And I don't want to overwhelm myself by saying I'm going to do something or start something and then already setting myself up for failure. But anyways, I also plan on making these dividers my own. So like making collages, making it fun and exciting for myself. I don't know, I've just been very motivated by Natasha from La Casa de Natasha. She custom makes a lot of her dividers and just all the fun stuff. And it's just really fun and exciting to see somebody make their own planner, make it their style, their aesthetic. And I feel like it's just then motivating to use that planner. But this is what I'm starting with. We'll say these dividers are so adorable. So I can also see myself using a lot of keeping a lot of the dividers the same. And I know usually in the past, I would use a happy planner as a catch-all, and I would Franken-plan it, and my happy planner, faith planner was the one that I would keep on its own. I just personally feel like it needs to be on its own for me. I don't know, I don't want to mix it with everything else. Okay, so that is what that looks like. Cute, cute, cute. Love it. Yeah, I wish I would have done something on this side, but that's okay. That's perfectly fine. Maybe at one point later on, if I really wanted to, I could do that. But for now, that's fine. I also made it the exact same size of a divider, so it doesn't cover the tabs. But that's the way I wanted it. And then, okay, so I already took out all the guts from here. And then this is the Faith Guided Journal. If you haven't seen it, here's a quick little flip. It's just a guided journal. So it has a prayer section, scripture reading for today. How does the word speak to me? I am seeing God's hand in. Today I am finding hope in. What is one simple joy I experienced today? List 3 blessings today. And then it says scripture reading today as we encourage. So it is a little bit different. Scripture reading for today. How does the word speak to me? Who can I encourage today? How am I rejoicing in the truth? Praising him for the simple gifts I am so grateful for. So it's similar, but still a little different. And I think then, no, it doesn't repeat itself. Awesome. So it's a little different, kind of the same, but still a little different. And then here you have sermon notes. So speaker, key points, observations, key verses, a question I have, summary, application, and then notes page, prayers, and then it starts. So it's like a week, or you can honestly do it however. That's kind of what I'm planning on doing. So what I want to do is add one section and see how thick it gets before adding another one. So I want to add this divider. Sorry, I'm kind of losing my voice a little bit. I don't know if you can hear that, but I am losing my voice a little bit. Okay, but for 2023, one of my goals is to actually pick up my Bible more than before. I feel like I really didn't do a good job at that this past year. And my goal this year is to actually apply myself. So this is why I wanted to do this and make sure that I'm actually taking it serious. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this perpetual planner. It could be a good place to actually write down the verses that I'm reading daily. But if not, then I'll remove it. But for now, I think this is good. I like it. I'm excited. I like the back. Cute. And I'm just going to go ahead and keep this on my bookshelf. Just for when I'm done with this, I can go ahead and replenish it. But love it. I think it looks so cute. I love the idea of making my little custom cover. And this is why I love these, this cover, this frosted clear cover from Live Love Posh, because you can literally make a vision board or a cover of your own with like stickers or something you printed out or a picture of your family or whatever, and just put this on top and it looks beautiful. But anyways, I love the way this turned out. I can't talk. Guys, so I did end up making a little divider or cover page for my planner, and it's pretty bright and out there, but it's the exact same thing as the cover, just so I didn't have to do too much. But I didn't laminate it. I'm just gonna go ahead and hole punch it. I did put my word of the year on there, and I'm gonna go ahead and hole punch it and glue it on this page. I think it's gonna look so cute. And I am gonna leave the perpetual planner on here, the perpetual calendar, because I think I would definitely use it, but I'm excited. It's gonna look so cute. Okay, this looks so cute. I love it so much. And on the back of this is the perpetual planner, which I plan on using, and I think it looks adorable. I am literally obsessed. I should have made that into the cover, but I like it as is. It's fine, but that's cute. That's real cute. You know, it's cool. If I ever wanted to, I could just remove this and have this as a cover. So that's cute. Only thing is that I hole punched it and obviously it went through there, but it's okay. It's no big deal. But I am going to continue using this. And I am absolutely obsessed. I love it so much. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.